Hey guys, let's see how for loop works in Python. And it's very simple. For is a keyword. And first of all, I need to declare a variable like I. And then this is another keyword in, and then is range. Range is a built-in method where we set the range, the limit that where do we want to start from and until what limit we want to go. What is my starting value? What is my ending value? So it can take several parameters. For example, I want to print from 0 to 5. Then in that case, I will put 6 here, not 5. Okay, we will see that behavior. Then colon, hit enter. Notice this cursor must be here. It must not be here near the wall. Okay, this is error in Python. So this here I press tab. You put key here, cursor here, and press tab on your keyboard. There should be one tab space. Now I want to print I. So what's the mechanism now? This range method, I give that, okay, you go until 6, basically not 6. 6 is not included. It will go until 5. So you need to remember that one. So it's like last value you want to print plus 1. Okay, I want to print until 5. So if I want to print 5, I must put 6, 5 plus 1. This is the mechanism in Python. It's not in any other language so far I have seen, like Java or PHP or C++. In C++ we put 5 if I want to go to 5. But in certain cases we can adjust that. But okay, in Python we say, okay, 6 means we will go until 5. So this range method, what is the starting value? Starting will be 0 by default. 0 and increment by 1 by default. 0, 1, 2, 3 until 5. So 0 range will pick 0 and put it in I, and then we'll print 0. Then it will go back, pick 1, put in here, print 1, and so on. Okay, it's anti-clockwise loop. Okay, all right. So let's see. So here we go, 0 until 5 is being printed, right? If I put 5 here, it will print 0 to 4. Okay, so you need to be careful about that. Now, this range method, we can specify one value like we have done right now, or I say, okay, don't include 0, start from 1 and go until 5. So now I say start from 1, so I will put 1 comma. So this is the starting and this is the ending, but I want to print until 5. So you remember we must put 6, right? So now let's see. All right, 1 to 5. If I put 5 here, what we will get? We'll get from 1 to 4. Starting from 1, go until 4, right? Okay, let's make it 10. All right, so 1 to 9, right? If I want 10 inclusive to be printed here, so I should put here 11, right? So, all right. So starting from 1 and until this one. Now, the last thing is this is incrementing by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. What if I want increment by 2? So in that case, this is my starting range. This is my ending range, right? Another comma, and I say increment by 2, not by 1. So in that case, so now you see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. So because the next one after 9 increment by 2 is 11, so 11 is not included. So if I want uh, 11 to be shown here, so I will put 12, one more, right? All right, so here we are. Uh, we can also print anything else that we want. For example, I want to print uh, 10 times. I want to print this message, hi. So this is, as you can see, 10 times high is being printed. Okay. There is one interesting thing in Python which is not in any other language, that is called else. Usually else is used with if else, but in Python we have this special thing. So else colon, hit enter, make sure the space is there, otherwise error. So it's like we can say that anything like loop is done. So whenever for loop is has been completed, then we want to say that, okay, when you are done, print this one. Okay, so let me put it back I so that we can see all the numbers and then loop is done. All right, here we see from 1 to 10 and loop is done. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.